This is a massive building on Quinpool Road. Look at the snow over there. It's a big gust of wind. Whoa! Ooh! The ice pellets. Yeah, it's getting worse. This sting right in the eyeballs. I'll wake you up. See where we're at. I might stop this one and make another one. Look at that. It's Quinpool Road. So that's how long it takes for me, Annie, to walk here. Pretty modest little walk. Nothing crazy. The snow over there. Pretty cool. I like the sounds that come out of this place. Demon souls crying. I hope you can pick up on that. Someday I'll come down and just film this one spot for like an hour. I'll just kind of do it. Pretty cool. It's really cool when they're all out. You see like 30 guys all hammering away. Unappreciated work, that's for sure. Those guys work unbelievably hard. This crosswalk always sketches me out for some reason. Arrive alive, don't kill me. There we go. I need to get some sort of strap so I can wear this, because I look like a damn fool right now just holding this out. It's humiliating. Looks like it's stopping. That's no good. I want a rager. Hello, can I get a large regular, please?
Large regular, okay, that's it?
That's it, thank you.
You're welcome.
Debit, please. Thank you.
There you go, large regular.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.